Hallo Wien, ich freue mich sehr, euch bald kennenzulernen und gemeinsam mit euch zu arbeiten. Ich bin derzeit vor Ort, nämlich in Wien, an der Universität Wien. Wir sehen uns ja bald und nun auf Englisch. I look forward to welcoming you to our one-day business workshop. We're going to take a deep dive. We're going to unveil your sacred talents, your gifts, and more importantly, your strengths, that unique DNA, that unique blueprint that you descended to Earth with. Margine is going to take over that first part. We're going to go through a bunch of immersive exercises so that you uncover some of your strengths. After that, I'll come in and I'll take over the business part. That is, we're going to take a deeper dive into your strengths and align them with your business. So, if you've been in business for quite a bit of time now, however, you keep struggling getting high paying customers through the door, growing, scaling, or becoming more profitable, one of the reasons is oftentimes not playing to your strengths, but rather operating from your weaknesses. Second of all, if you're a startup or thinking about starting a business, you got to have the fundamentals in place, and that again operating from a basis of strengths, something that feels effortless to you, and that is your core pillar when you want to set up a business. And third, if you're in a professional career and working paycheck to paycheck and you want to leave your career but you don't know what to do, what kind of a business maybe to start, how to take on the entrepreneurial route, this will give you the perfect opportunity not only to interact with like-minded individuals, entrepreneurs, and souls, but more importantly, to get important insights as to how to align that very thing you absolutely excel at with a business that will help you thrive in this third dimensional reality. I look forward to helping you take your business to the next level and, more importantly, turn your strengths into a profitable one. I look forward to welcoming you once again.